Hello, this is Faiz and you're watching the Drone Expert YouTube channel. This is our fifth video in drone LiDAR training series. In today's video, we will discuss the LiDAR workflow, which means the various stages a LiDAR project goes through from start to finish and what happens in each stage, which provides you with an overall understanding so that you can deliver better output to your client. The beginning of a LiDAR project starts with client requirement, means what output the client needed from the LiDAR survey. Let's understand this with an example. This document was shared by the client about his requirement from the LiDAR survey. They are expecting first high resolution 3D point cloud, second one is digital elevation model, digital terrain model and digital surface model. We already discussed the difference between these in photogrammetry series. You can watch the video from there. Next, extracted cross section at defined interval. We will learn this in the upcoming videos. Fourth one is volume calculation using DTM. After the volume calculation, we have to give the material requirement. Sixth one is final report. We have to prepare a report after completion of the data processing. Seventh one is track center line. We have to find the center line and do the analysis. Infrastructure inspection, 3D model of the bridge, tunnels and other railway infrastructures. So these are the requirement of the client they need from the survey. We will learn from this tutorial how to generate required output. When the client shares their requirement, they also provide AOI, which stands for Area of Interest, where the survey need to be conducted, usually in the form of KML or shapefile. This allows us to calculate the area size, plan ground control points and create a flight plan. Let's understand this with an example. Here is the KML file shared by the client. Let's open it. You can see the boundary in black line. First, we will change the color of the boundary so that it will clearly visible. Right click, go to the property, style in color and change the line color to yellow and increase the width to 2. Now, it's clearly visible. So this is our area of interest where LiDAR survey needs to be done. We have a complete tutorial on our website for Google Earth. You can check it out. Now, let's check the area size. To do this, we need to click on the polygon. Here it is, enclosed area 64.59 acres. After this, we will plan for GCP, which stands for ground control points, and CP, which stands for checkpoints. Area size is important to place the GCP or CP points, and we have a thumb rule, minimum 3 GCP points are required for a project, whatever the size of the KML. Important point is to note that in Google Earth, we are only planning the GCP or CP. After the planning, we will share the planned KML file with the DGPS team. They will place the GCP or CP markers on ground and collect the coordinates. Main objective of the CP is to check the project accuracy. When we use PPK or RTK drone, we can minimize the number of GCPs. It will depend on us which drones we are using. Accordingly, the number of GCP will vary. Here, the example how we plan the GCP in Google Earth. First, we will select the marker and place it on the corner and named it GCP1. Remember, don't place all the GCPs in a straight line. Always place the GCP in zigzag. Similarly, select the marker again and place it here and rename it GCP2 and same with the GCP3. Place the GCPs equally distributed on the area of interest. Now, we will place the checkpoints. Select the marker again and place the CP on the road and named it CP1. And similarly with the CP2. These are also equally distributed. 2 checkpoints are sufficient in this area of interest. So we are placing only 2 checkpoints. Now save the file and send it to the DGPS team for on-ground marking.